In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and add invite-only scripts on TradingView. This is an essential skill if you're looking to utilize custom indicators that others have developed specifically for this platform. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, gaining access to an invite-only script requires permission. You'll need to reach out directly to the creator of the script. This might involve sending a message or an email, depending on how the author prefers to communicate. Make sure to be clear about your request and perhaps highlight why you're interested in their work. Once you've made your request, you simply wait for them to grant you access. Remember, patience can be key here as different authors may respond at varying speeds. Now, once you've secured access, it's time to head over to TradingView. TradingView is a comprehensive charting platform used by millions of traders around the world. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to tradingview.com. Once you're there, you'll want to load up the chart view. This is typically displayed on the home page, but if you're not on the home screen, you can find it in the main menu. Next, let's locate the Indicators menu. You'll find this by looking at the top left corner of your chart. It's represented by an icon that resembles a beaker. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply hit the slash key, that's the /R on your keyboard, to open the Indicators menu directly. This menu is your gateway to a wide range of tools and scripts, including the one you've been granted access to. As the Indicators menu pops up, shift your attention to the left side of your screen. You're looking for the section labeled Invite-Only Scripts. This tab might be a bit subtle, so take your time to browse through the menu options. Click on this tab, and you'll then see a list of all the invite-only scripts that you've been permitted to access by their creators. Now, let's add your script. If the author has indeed granted you access, you should comfortably see your desired script listed here within the Invite-Only Scripts submenu. Clicking on the script's name will instantly add it to your chart. This script can enhance your trading strategy by providing unique data visualization or algorithmic insights the creator designed. And just like that, you've successfully added invite-only scripts to your TradingView chart. From this point on, make sure to explore its features and adjust any settings that might be available to suit your trading preferences. I hope this guide has made the process straightforward and you feel ready to dive deeper into the exciting world of custom TradingView scripts. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.